Well, hello everybody and welcome back. So today I have two new amazing DIYs that you can prepare for yourselves today. They're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'm just going to be taking these two bowls from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to be painting them with some white craft paint. I'm going to be using this imitation gold leaf that I picked up from Amazon, as well as some Mod Podge. So here I'm just starting by brushing on a little bit of Mod Podge, and then I'm going to place some gold leaf down. You'll notice as this DIY goes on that I kind of changed my method a little bit, as I started placing down the gold leaf and then just patting it so that I could spread out the leaf more randomly. I'm going to be using these paper butterflies from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be dipping them into Mod Podge. Once they're fully covered and I've brushed off a little bit of the Mod Podge, I'm going to place them onto my project. After it's had time to dry, I'm going to hot glue the two pieces together, and I'm going to be doing this mostly off camera so that I can get my project straight. I'm going to be using this self-adhesive ribbon from the Dollar Tree. So here's what it looks like. What do you guys think? For my next DIY, I'm going to be using this bottomless wine bottle from Dollar Tree, as well as these butterfly gold stickers that I also picked up from Dollar Tree. I'll be using this gold bling ribbon, and it's from Amazon. I'm going to be using this candle plate from Dollar Tree, as well as some fairy lights and some gold table confetti that I already had. And so here's what they look like. I feel like these would look amazing as a table centerpiece. What do you guys think? And so guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. 2 really simple DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this little video because I really did enjoy making it for you. If you have, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well as hitting the notification bell and giving this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!